welcome back to the shed. It's more Miata time. First, a bit of a roundup what's been done so far. The holes are gone, yay! Cut out, welded, and what is this? Sealant, some sort of sealant. Still quite a ways to go until it's completely finished, but I'd say the hardest part is done for this.
It's
so
not
far.
far off. Basically, what comes on top of this now is just stone chip. But before the stone chip, all of this needs to be washed.
Right.
With a power washer. I have a special solution that will get rid of all of this grime. And after it's washed, then we can apply the stone chip. So it goes on a clean surface.
Right.
But for this, this needs to dry first. So it needs 1 or 2 hours more to be completely dry.
Right. Back here. This looks a bit amateur hour, but this was just to plug up the rust holes. The paint shop or the body shop will do the rest. Here as well. And this was the biggest modification because we're making it EUDM, whatever the wording is, and the plate lights are different. Oh, look at that. Shiny. So is this sort of the state of what all of the suspension will look like?
The suspension will look better.
Even better. Excellent.
Even better. This needs welding. This needs welding.
Yes, tractor tire, the best sort of platform for such work. And another day comes to an end. We basically fully disassembled it in preparation for the paint shop. Every little tiny piece that's not painted and not currently bolted to the car will be taken to Niciasno's house for some Niciasnoing, of course. And then on Thursday, well, by Thursday, it has to be back on its wheels and on the way to the paint shop. Exciting. And if the rest of it ends up looking as nice as this engine bay, I think it's gonna be well worth the money. Wouldn't you say?
The engine bay cleaned out really nice.
Yeah.
Everything is grease free. It's silver as it was when the car was new.
Even those little rusty bits are as silver as they were when they were brand new.
Yeah, well, you know, we can't rust it. But there's no more dust in the engine bay, no more grease on any of the components. So even working on the car from now on will be much nicer. No more dirty hands. Yeah.
Right.
And yeah, what's remaining? The car needs to get a coat of underbody protection, so basically stone chip. That's why we cleaned the whole underbody with the power washer. And then after this is done, the whole of the suspension gets bolted back on, and then it goes to the paint shop.
Right. See you next time.
Chodzi kurwa, tak.